There was no elevator, so we had to carry everything up. Yeah?
Yeah.
There she is.
There I am.
Look at this tiny little balcony.
Welcome to España.
Barcelona, baby. Where are we? Just walking on the town after a red eye, and we finally got our showers. It's a little chibbery. No luck with taxis.
Nope.
So we've been walking in the pouring rain for like
French wraps.
45 minutes.
You ready for a cooking class? Yes, I am. Let's cook.
Good?
Oh, really good. He is 3 times the garlic. Our tomatoes. And we make
First hike in years.
yes.
Look at her go, though. Character today. Honor.
Here you are.
Are you a quitter?
Never. I'll get it.
For the record, I've offered multiple times.
No.
She said she doesn't want to quit. She's doing this thing.
No.
So she's doing the damn thing. You're doing great. Keep on coming. Look at you go. Did it. That was a tough section.
I'd say that was a level 5.
I would not be happy that I'm putting you through this right now.
For
the record.
Don't show Nathan that picture.
For the record, I didn't know that this section existed on this trail.
actually going to church every day. The city was attacked. Usually the first war
We search the silence, the winding road. We long for solace. It's all we know.
Okay, we are on top of Cathedral of Barcelona. You can see
Panoramic view.
the whole city. Here's my mom.
We search the silence.
How many miles have we walked today?
12 miles.
Well, how old are you?
63.
63, and she's walked 12 miles today. That's actually how you say it. How do you say it?
Barceloneta.
Sounds right.
A marble arch, and love is not a victory march, it's a golden.
What a view, huh? tired.
I'm so tired.
Last dinner.